Welcome to the project demonstration of GSM and GPS based garbage alerting system to the truck drivers. So here we are going to get the garbage levels with the help of SR04. So from this ultrasonic sensor we are going to check the levels inside this garbage bin, and based on the levels we are going to display the same status, like whether it's a 25% or empty or 50% or 75% or full. So these 5 levels will be displayed on the LCD screen, and the 4 levels of 25, 50, 75, 100% full. So this will be indicated through these 4 LEDs, so which are interfaced to the Arduino Uno board. So coming to this, whenever the dustbin is full, so the Arduino Uno will send a message alert with the help of GSM module, and the particular SMS will consist of the location of this dustbin also, and the location will get from this GPS module. So coming to the interfacing connections, we interface this 16:2 LCD to the A0 to A5 pins, and these 4 LEDs are 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 and 9 is for the GPS, and 11th pin is for our 8 and 9 is for the GSM, and 11th pin is for our GPS module. So the whole system work under 5 volts. So from this adapter we are going to provide the 230 volts inputs, and the adapter will provide the 5 volts 1 amp constant current with constant voltage. So when we provide the input voltage to this main motherboard, so that Arduino board will start reading input from our SR04, and based on the distance of the dust level, so the Arduino Uno will control these LEDs and display the message on the LCD screen, and also if it is full, then it will send the message alert along with the GPS values. So let us see the demonstration. Before switching on this kit, we need to insert a valid SIM card. Better to use Airtel or Vodafone Idea or BSNL. It should have the SMS balance or main balance, and then only insert the particular SIM card into the GSM modem. And then one more setup, just provide the power supply to this plug and hold this reset switch. So observe, there will be one green light is blinking very fast, right? So it's trying to get the signal. Once it get the signal, it slow down. Right now it is slow down, right? And now you can release the switch. Why? Because after getting the signal only, the Arduino Uno should communicate with the GSM modem, right? Starting 2 times on and off, and also welcome message on the LCD screen, and now it will continuously display the latitude and values. As of now, we are demonstrating this project indoor, as we know that the GPS is based on the trilateration method from the satellite vision. Then only it will get the proper values. Okay, right. So now let us place the dust into that. So now it is 25% full, and next, right, it is 50% full, 75% fill, and the next. So when we place this, it's going to be the 100% fill, and it's going to be the dustbin is full, and we'll get the SMS alert into our stored phone number. Right, we got the message alert. So the particular message consists of alert, garbage level is full, and the latitude and longitude values we will receive continuously. So when we demonstrate in this project under the sky view, then we will get the location values of latitude, longitude values based on the location that will be identified by our GPS module from the satellite. So just I'm removing the dust for clearing, and we can observe the same visual indication on the LCD as well as LED indicators. Right. And now it is empty now. Right. And remember, the main thing is we should insert a valid SIM card, and we should hold the reset button till we'll get the signal. Then only we should allow the microcontroller Arduino to communicate with the GSM modem and execution of the process. Thank you.